Unlocking language. Mastering should in English grammar. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English grammar, specifically the modal verb, should. In this video, we're going to learn about forming sentences with should. By the end, you'll know how to use should correctly and confidently in your own English speaking and writing. So, let's unlock the power of should together. Should is a modal verb that we often use in English to express obligation, expectation, advice, and probability. It's a versatile word that can change the meaning of a sentence in subtle ways. For example, 1. You should drink plenty of water. Advice. 2. I should be home by 6 p.m. Expectation. 3. We should respect our elders. Obligation. Remember that should is always followed by a verb in its base form. That is, we don't use to after should. Positive sentences with should follow the structure. Subject plus should plus base form of verb. For example, 1. You should go to the doctor. 2. They should study for the test. To make a sentence negative with should, we add not. The structure is subject plus should not or shouldn't plus base form of verb. For example, 1. You should not eat too much junk food. 2. We shouldn't be late for the meeting. When we want to ask a question with should, we swap the order of the subject and should. The structure is should plus subject plus base form of verb. For example, 1. Should I call him? 2. Should they take the bus? That wraps up our lesson on the modal verb, should. By now, you should be more comfortable with using should in your English sentences. It's a fantastic tool to express advice, expectation, or obligation. Remember, practice is key. So try making your own sentences using should. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this has been helpful. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning.